hospital, direction, and bank also I have this problem. Then I don't understand conversation, speaking, and also listening. Now I'm got a citizenship, and LINC class is a lot of helpful, and also computer program. And before I don't know some, I know basic. Now I know how to write a paragraph, how to write some essay or some program.